Hey everyone, today's July 14th, 2019, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And it feels good to pick up this camera, and I know it's been a while. And in today's video, I'll be going to 2 car meets and I'll be bringing you guys with me. And I also have big things coming for the BRZ, and I also am getting new exhaust pieces for my BRZ installed very soon. And today will be one of the last days I'll have my current exhaust setup. My NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust with my JDL unequal length header. So I'll definitely get some exhaust clips for you guys today, and I'll bring you through my day today, go to these car meets, see some awesome cars. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get going. And it is a beautiful day in Chicago today, beautiful summer day. There should be a lot of cars out. I believe the first car show may be a classic car show, it might be. The second one's gonna be more imports and so on, but I'll bring you guys with me for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It feels great to pick up the camera today, and let's get going. Alright guys, first time seeing the BRZ. We're coming back from vacation. And the car's clean, I got a car wash before I left. Car's looking really good. But I'll do a quick wipe down of the car before I go to these meets here. Yeah, car's looking really good. And let's get this cold start going. So we'll start this video with a quick acceleration. It still sounds so good. I had the same exhaust system for the past, it's been about a year now, and I honestly been really happy with it, but I'm ready for a change. So today's video is going to be just a chill video. It's just going to be going to a couple meets. I'm meeting my cousin there, going to look at some nice cars, and it's going to be a casual video. Alright, so me and my girlfriend Steph, we just got to this first meet, and there's a good amount of cars here. We just pulled up, I saw a couple nice FRSs, BRZs, and 86s. I'll do a quick walk around, and we'll see where the day takes us. So let's get going. Alright, got to the car meet, and there's a good amount of BRZs and FRSs here. And here's my buddy John's blue FRS. I did a video on this last year. He has the Jackson Racing Supercharger in here, really clean engine bay, with the Z-Lite kit, which looks really good. And this car, it makes good power, looks really clean. And my favorite part is the interior of this car. The Cusco seats, really nice rear parts all over, an awesome steering wheel here. And he has the Tommy Cara shift knob, and everything's just really clean. And with those gauges over there, it looks awesome, and overall this car looks really sweet. This is one of my favorite FRSs in the whole Chicago area by far. Yeah, it has the Rays on here, the TE37s. Tell me why you fighting, babe girl. I know exactly how you. Hey, rather blaze it up with you than anybody else. Counting on nothing, I let you know if I'm gonna need some help. Nah, in a minute, they not really forward falling for something. This FRS is awesome. Love the kit on this. Everything looks really clean. The interior is nice, and this carbon fiber wing is awesome. Looks really clean here, and I love these taillights. These were my old Valenti Black Gold Edition taillights. Looks good. And this kit that goes all the way around is awesome. Love the rear diffuser on there. Looks really clean with the side skirts. And it's all color matched too, which looks really nice. And the front here, really clean. And the grille too looks really nice as well. Tell me why you fighting, baby girl. I know exactly how you want this. Tell me why you fighting, baby girl. I know exactly how you. Let me roll this, hold up, let me focus on you. Give me one more second and I'll show you what's new with me. I know you really ain't that cool with me, but tell me why I act a fool, it ain't cool, you see. Yeah, yeah. Alright, and this is the Vleen body kit for this 8.6, which makes the car look huge, but I do like this kit a lot. It's one of the only ones in the US, which is awesome. And look at these wheels. The wheels are awesome. I'm not a big fan of the decals on it, but the car itself with the body kit and all the modifications on it with the wing, the wheels, everything looks awesome. Comment down below what you guys think of this body kit on this car. I really think it looks awesome, especially with the swing, the diffuser, and the custom headlights and taillights for this car too. Nice 8.6s FRS and BRZs here. We're gonna check out that one right now and see what's on that. Alright, so we're checking out this BRZ right now. Looks really clean, and I believe he is the owner of this coffee place right here. And has the Buddy Club, the version 1 taillights that look really clean. Yeah, so Rocket Bunny kit. Not sure what version is. Oh yeah, the Z40s, nice wheels. And the blue always looks nice with the white color of this BRZ here, and the white has like a sparkle in it. It looks really nice. Yeah, beautiful kit. Has the Recaros in there. Nice steering wheel, shift knob, and has the roll cage in there. You can see that through the mirror. Take a step back, and I love how the front of the Rocket Bunny kit looks. Looks really clean, and you're able to have those really big wheels in there that makes it look really aggressive. Take a step back. Yeah, this car's really clean. And I know a lot of the wide body kits, you have the rivets on it, and I would like to see more, especially in the Chicago area. Everyone has their wide body kits riveted on. No one has them really molded on, but it still looks really good. The front end of the car looks aggressive, really clean but aggressive. Definitely looks awesome. I love these wheels. And we'll take a quick look at the back. It's his corn hub. It has the license plate. Definitely really awesome. Super aggressive car. We'll take a quick look at these cars here. Here's my cousin Nick's Legacy GT. And this car is awesome. It has the STI swapped engine here. Here's a clean WRX. And you saw this car before. This 8.6 with the Vleen body kit looks really clean, and I love all the specs on this car. And this white Cyan FRS looks awesome. Right, everyone's heading out right now. There's a nice red 86 right here. Yeah, looks good. Red 86 right here. Everyone's heading out right now. This car is really clean right here. My buddy John, he's starting his car up, and I'll film him getting out of here. He has my favorite FRS in the whole Chicago area. Super clean. And he has the quad exhaust with the Valenti taillights. Looks really awesome. And this is the Jackson Racing Supercharger too. Sounds so good. This is really sick too. There's a lot of carbon fiber on this car. The trunk, the wing, and the hood on the sides with the Volk TE37s as well.
Well,
looks really good.
Taro is weird. It's sort of like
nice Recaro seats with the Kata harnesses in here. Beautiful steering wheel. Really clean interior for this car. There, dude. Drive safe.
Like, depending on how you make it, that's what's going on. Okay. When they mix it with milk, they're diluting it.
Another BRZ right here. It has all stock stuff on it. It looks really nice. And what I want to do with my car though is I want to get the STI style side skirts for my car. I do have the carbon fiber ones right now, but I want to do something else. I'm gonna get the STI side skirts for my car. That'll be a new modification I'm gonna get. I'm gonna sell my carbon fiber ones, and I am gonna get a rear valance for the car as well, and they'll look really nice. I need something more for the car, and I'm also taking off my mud flaps as well very soon. Alright, we're heading out right now, and really quick, here's a Mercedes AMG E63 right here, and right here is an Audi S5 in red. Both really clean cars, and we'll be heading out right now. Several things I'm going to change for the car. I'll be taking off my Rally Armor mud flaps on my BRZ, and a lot of people like them, a lot of people hate them. And for me, I've had them on for probably about a year now, and I do like how they look, but I always had them on just because people knew this. They knew what my car looked like. They knew when I was coming because I had the mud flaps on my car. It made my car stick out. But at this point, having my car for more than 2 years now, I'm at the point where I do want to take them off. I don't really want the mud flaps on my car anymore. It'll look a lot more clean without them. And just from a side view over here looking at my car, it looks good, but without the mud flaps, it would be a lot more sleek looking. But other than that, my car is exactly how I want it to be. I'll do minor cosmetic modifications, and eventually, I might boost my car. That's a huge question I do get all the time. When will I boost the car? And to be honest, I was gonna boost it maybe 6 months ago. Things came up, I moved to Florida, I moved back, I got a new condo, my girlfriend's stuff, and a lot of expenses came up where I ended up not getting the supercharger for my BRZ. And at this point, I could get it, but I really don't need it right now. With this car, yes, it doesn't have the highest horsepower and torque, but I still have so much fun in this car. Even though it doesn't have the highest power, I still have so much fun in it, and I'm perfectly fine with the power it has now. And maybe down the line I will boost it, but for as of right now, I love the car how it is. We're heading out right now, get the car started here. And this will be one of the last times we'll hear my exhaust with this setup. Alright guys, the meet just ended just now. We ended up just going to one because the first one didn't have many cars, and there was a good amount of cars here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So to end this video, I'll do a couple accelerations in my BRZ. This will be one of the last times I'll be having this exhaust system on the car, and hope you guys enjoyed the next exhaust clips. Alright guys, so I just got home and I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of all the cars you saw today and my BRZ, and what you think of all the cars and your favorite car in this video. And I know not too much happened in this video. I went to a car meet, but I do want to post content more often because it does feel good to pick up this camera. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.